Logan, do you wanna show mommy how you eat chicken parm? Logan, where's the chicken? Where's the pasta? Olha o Logan comendo pasta com frango. Look at the floor. Half of it is on the floor. Half it's in Logan's pocket. You wanna show me how to eat pasta? Here. That's how you eat pasta? Yeah? Do I have to clean the floor again? How's that pasta? Good? That's how Logan eats pasta. Pasta? What? Are you still hungry? I'm gonna take the pasta away. You don't want any more? No? Put it in your mouth. Thank you. That's how baby eats pasta. No, you are not touching my camera. No. Tell me, is the pasta good? O que que foi, meu amor? Huh? No, you're not touching the camera. Look, you got pasta under your arm. There's pasta here. What? You got pasta on your knees. You got pasta all over the floor. Yes. Look at your pockets. There's pasta in your pockets. Get the ones in your pocket. What do I do with the pasta on the floor? O que que eu faço? Não, não vai. No. Not when you're eating. If you take that out, I'm gonna take your food away. Aqui, ó. Pasta. Come, põe na boquinha. Put it in your mouth. Good boy. You want juice? Okay, put that in your mouth and I'll give you juice. Juice is yummy. Okay, you're gonna drink the whole thing? More pasta. Here, get the pasta. What about chicken? Get chicken. That chicken is good. Mommy needs to cut you more chicken. You want more chicken? Aqui, ó, Logan. Logan, ó, franguinho. Quer uma galinhazinha? Logan. Você tá ignorando sua mãe. Seu boca cheia. Quer um franguinho? Bota o franguinho na boca. Não, vou pegar você. Se você não pegar, eu pego. Derrubou o franguinho. Cadê o franguinho? Achou? Acha? Pega. Where's the chicken? Toma aqui outro. Ó o frango. Yummy. Tem pasta no abacatinho? Ah, tá botando de volta na mesa? Tá bom. Tá bom teu dinner? Não é pra brincar com comida. Não brinca com comida. Bota na boquinha. Bota na... Não, não na minha boca, na sua boca. No, I don't want it. Thank you. That's for you. I don't want any pasta. Thanks. Good boy. You dropped the other one. Good boy. Where's the other one? Não, não tira porque você tá muito suja. Oh, that's supposed to be mashed pasta? Oh, yeah? Pasta is good. Toma aqui. I'll help you. You dropped it. You want here? Tem mais? O que você tá fazendo? Ai, como é bom comer pasta. Não tira. Não. Deixa aqui. Você tá muito limpinho. Let's finish. Here. There's more food. You want a big piece of chicken? Ó, toma chicken. Toma aqui, ó. Yummy. Okay, say bye-bye. Now mommy's gonna finish her dinner. Bye-bye. What are you doing? Quer mais juice? Oh my god, it's so hard. Juice is so good. I like my juice. I like my juice. What are you looking at? Okay, bye-bye, mommy. No, bye-bye. More juice? Okay, drink more juice. Você é um porquinho. Porquinho! Você quer mamãe? Cadê vovó? Vovó? Vovó. 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 Yes. Mommy. Mommy. No, Dada. Mommy. Mommy? Mommy. I want chicken now. I don't want mommy anymore. No, you're not touching me. Your hands are all dirty. Okay, we're gonna go now. Mommy needs to finish her food. I love you, Logan. Oh my god, look at that big full mouth. My mom is crazy. Crazy for you. Because I love you too much. Oh no, I don't want pasta. No, thank you. Okay. Okay. Essa pasta que você me deu? Ok. Acabou! Mamãe comeu.